हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोग का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ साइन ए एन प्लस बी एंड कॉस ए एन प्लस बी। इन द लास्ट वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू फाइंड जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ साइन एन थीटा एंड कॉस एन थीटा। सो वी नीड द जेड ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ cos n theta. So this we can write z square minus z cos theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. You can refer my previous video. Link of that video I'll give in the description box. So z transform of sin n theta will be z sin theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. Fine. So now let us see how to proceed with z transform of sin a n plus b. So we are going to use the formula sin a plus b. So let me write here sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So we have z transform of sin a n plus b. We can have z transform of sin a n cos b plus cos a n sin b. Fine. So cos b and z transform of sin a n plus sin b z transform of cos a n. So this z transform satisfy the linear property. So we are using the linear property and writing this. So now we can have cos b and z transform of sin theta means sin a n means z sin a divided by z square minus 2z cos a plus 1 plus sin b and z transform of cos a n is z square minus z cos a divided by z square minus 2z cos a plus 1. Fine. So now we can simplify. So we get the z square sin b, denominator is same, so we can write z square minus 2z cos a plus 1. So we can have z square sin b plus z we can take common, so we get the sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this will be sin a minus b. So z transform of sin a n plus b equal to, we get the z square sin b plus z sin a minus b divided by z square minus 2z cos a plus 1. Fine. So this is your z transform of sin a n plus b. Now in the same way, let us try to find the z transform of cos a n plus b. So we get z transform of cos a n plus b. So we are going to use that formula cos a plus b. Cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So here z transform of cos a n plus b equal to z transform of cos a n cos b minus sin a n sin b. So this equal to cos b z transform of cos an minus sin b z transform of sin an using the linearity property of z transform. So this will be cos b is the constant at z transform of cos an equal to z square minus z cos a divided by z square minus 2z cos a plus 1 minus sin b and z transform of sin n an equal to z sin a divided by z square minus 2z cos a plus 1. Now denominator is same for the both the terms, so we can simplify. So we get z square minus 2z cos a plus 1. So here we get z square cos b and minus z if we take common, so we get the cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So we can get z square cos b and this will be minus z cos a minus b, fine, divided by z square minus 2z cos a plus 1. So this is your z transform of cos a n plus b. So we have done the z transform of cos a n plus b and z transform of sin a n plus b. Thanks for watching.